We will be making chicken and vermicelli soup today. I am placing 400 grams of chicken pieces in a pot of 1.5 liters of water. I will put its lid on and let it boil over low heat. After the chicken boils, I am adding a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes to it. After that, I am pouring 100 milliliters of vermicelli to the pot. I will let it boil without the lid until the vermicelli softens. Our nutritious and cold-busting soup is ready. You can squeeze some fresh lemon into the soup. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel.